Hey guys, this is Uri Rajpal from my PCOS story. Today I am sharing my experience with PCOS and here I am discussing my PCOS and mental health issues. So let's get started. As you all know, PCOS is very common these days. Almost one out of five women are one out of five women are accused by PCOS these days. So today I'm just briefly discussing why is PCOS and mental health challenges are so common these days and what can you do about this. So let me first discuss what is PCOS. PCOS stands for polycystic ovary syndrome, which is a condition in which a woman's hormones are out of balance. Although currently the reasons that cause of ovary PCOS is still not understood, but many surveys show that it may involve a combination of genetic and environmental factors. As you all know, the journey of PCOS reversal is long and it is important to keep your mind in check what can affect you and your hormones. Let me discuss some PCOS symptoms. PCOS symptoms are very common. It involves irregular periods or no periods at all, excessive hair growth, usually on your face, chest, back, weight gain, oily skin or acne, and most important, difficulty getting pregnant because of irregular periods. Why do women with PCOS have more anxiety and depression than women without PCOS? A woman with PCOS faces many things like body shaming, hormonal imbalance. So it is quite so it is they face many things. Let's discuss one by one. Body image issues. The way you look at yourself influence your life more than you think. Many women say themselves as they are too fat, too ugly, too tall, too thin, too dark, and it can affect their mental health. The ultimate root of self confidence and self esteem issues is not loving yourself. The sudden weight gain, acne, bushy chin may influence your self confidence. The negative body image is not a mental health issue in itself, but it has the potential to trigger most serious issues like eating disorders, social anxiety, isolation, and depression, etc. The next point is nutrition deficiency. Nutrition is normally ignored while talking about mental health issues. A body is a complex system that involves chemical processes. A nutrient deficiency might also be cause for emotional instability, leading to hormonal imbalance. Some of them nutrients are omega O3 acid, vitamin D, amino acid, iron, and zinc. Infertility. The biggest concern women diagnosed with PCOS is often infertility. The inability to conceive a child might be a trigger point for depression. The emotional, physical, and financial impact of fertility treatments are enough to take away women's peace. With such depression and anxiety, it is more and more important to create a safe space for women to speak and feel supported. You can support your female friends, wife, mother, sister with such ways, acknowledging their problem. PCOS is a real problem, guys. You need to accept it and accept yourself with those symptoms. Second point is educate yourself. You need to educate yourself about PCOS and your partner and also your partner so that you can understand the issues you're facing, all the symptoms you're going through. And the last point, have an open dialogue so that you can talk about it openly without feeling any shame. The good thing is PCOS can be reversed. Thank you guys.